know where it goes.
What do you mean?
I think Mum needs to make you cook more often.
Dad, it goes in here.
If you put it into the rubbish bin, it goes straight to the landfill, which creates more greenhouse gases.
Ah, sorry.
I'll show you where it goes next. We learned at school it's better to separate food scraps from rubbish, as you can make compost and even energy.
Well, that's great. We could do with a bit more compost.
It goes in here, see?
Oh, yeah, look at that. Great.
Don't worry, I won't tell Mum you didn't know.
Thank you.
Let's transform recycling in Aotearoa New Zealand. Join the conversation and have your say.